southern valley of Pahalgam, which is Indian administered Jammu and Kashmir, saw a horrific incident which led to losing of 26 Indian tourists their valuable lives. This gives us nightmares even today, and it's a reminder of the devastating Pulwama attack that happened in 2019, which gives us chills in the spine even today. The repercussions of this attack have been immediate and far-reaching. We all know that Indian-Pakistan relationships are already strained, and it is going to affect more on the diplomatic engagements. It also affects on the economic consequences, as the land of Kashmir is mostly on its natural beauty, which is meant for tourism, and the investment is mostly on tourism related activities, casting a shadow over broader South Asian economic integration efforts. The overall situation is highly volatile. The potential for further actions from India, Pakistan and broader international community remains significant here. Adding another layer to it is, if you can see that this attack was done during the visit of US Vice President to India, a timing that some observers suggest may have been deliberately chosen to draw international attention to the long-standing issue of Kashmir. The coming days and weeks will be critical in determining the future trajectory of this deeply concerning situation. That's all for now. Thank you very much for listening to us. We will come with more details in the next episodes. Be with us. Signing off, Magna Carta Foundation.